Hello, my name is Ilona. I teach Russian language on italki. In this video we're going to talk about how to understand Russian speakers. It's a very important skill in language learning. One way to improve your understanding of Russian is to watch Russian videos. You can start with easy videos like a TV show for children, cartoons. Watch it with subtitles few times, and when you will have an idea about the plot, you can switch off subtitles, and you will be amazed how easy it is to understand Russian. When you feel more comfortable with Russian language, start listening to songs, news, audiobooks and radio in Russian. If you find lyrics, written news and books, read it as well. And it will be very good if you practice with native speakers. It's easy when you lead conversation. Don't be shy to ask them to speak slow or to repeat if you didn't understand something. Listen to people with different sounds, accents, ages and from different countries. Also, when you hear a story, read it aloud, understand it, remember it and discuss it with someone and try to retell it with your words. And the last tip for today: if you want to say something, don't translate it in your head, just say it immediately, don't think about it too much. I hope this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to italki channel for more videos about Russian language. Take a lesson with me on italki by clicking on my teacher profile link in the description. See you in the next video. Bye bye.